Welcome back to Lock Behind the Plate with Jazzy Monét. I'm showing you that I have fresh shrimp that I already washed, have lemon pepper, onion powder, ranch seasoning, parsley flakes, Old Bay, and paprika. I also have cut up red potatoes and corn on the cob, and some Andouille Sausages. Yummy, yummy. This is a different kind that I decided to use. Okay, now I'm getting 1 spoonful of lemon pepper, and then I'm using the onion powder, the granulated onion. I'm getting 2 of those. And then I'll be using some ranch seasoning. Yum, yum, yum. This is really a good addition to the seafood bag. Yeah, it's really good. You just have to try it. Gotta shake it all. Shake, shake, shake. And I'm using garlic. I love garlic a lot. So, yeah, that's a lot of garlic. Lots and lots of garlic. Oh, some more garlic. And then I have paprika. I use the paprika for color. It gives it the red color. I'm gonna use 1 spoonful of that. Not really full, actually. I am saving my Old Bay and my Parsley Flakes for later after I combine it. Yeah. Okay, now I'm taking my bowl of ingredients that I combined and dumping it in with the shrimp. I also have 2 pounds of shrimp. I made 2 bags, and each bag it was 2 pounds of shrimp for each bag. So this right here is an ingredient just for 2 pounds of shrimp. I did the same thing for the other bag. I just did it off camera. And I'm mixing it up, mixing it. Gotta make sure you mix it good. And my shrimp and stuff was already deveined and all of that whenever I got it in the bag. And I'm using the Old Bay seasoning right here. I like a lot of Old Bay, clearly. I actually added more off of the camera. So, yeah. And I'm using parsley flakes. And then I'm going to mix it up a little bit more after I add the cayenne pepper. So there are some ingredients that I added later on throughout the video that weren't shown in the beginning, but yeah, honestly, this is just something you can just do. Like, you can add your own seasoning. These are just the seasonings that I prefer, but it's really good. Okay, now you have a pot. I take this pot and I'm using the pot for my oven bag, which is where we're going to put all of the seafood in. Well, all of the ingredients, including the corn and everything. But first, we have to get the bag and put it in the pot. This way it holds it up. And you fold it over the edges once you put it down in there. Just like that. And I'm showing you that it's in there. I tried to hold the camera and put that stuff in there, but it wasn't working out for me, so I had to put the camera back down. But I'm putting all the corn, the potatoes, the sausages in the bag first. I also recommend with the red potatoes that you boil them for at least 10 minutes before you put them in the bag if you like your potatoes softer. Now at this point, I'm adding more ranch seasoning. Right there, adding more. And I actually added more off camera. I just didn't want to overdo it. It's really up to your taste buds how much you put on there. I was having issues with it coming out, but I actually put a lot more when I turned the camera off. And Old Bay seasoning. I also think that I use a lot more seasoning too because I don't use real butter. I use margarine, and you know, I don't think it's as salty as real butter, but yeah, I use a whole stick of blue bonnet. I just toss it in there. Yeah, blue bonnet, blue. And now I'm going to add my seafood mix in there with my shrimp. Ooh, I almost dropped the bowl. I was struggling with that bowl. It's heavy. And the camera was right between my hands, so yeah, bear with me. This is my first cooking video, so I was trying to get good angles, but I have everything in there. Let's look at all that garlic. Yum, 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 yum. And I'm showing you an overhead view of it. Alrighty, now we are going to add freshly squeezed lemon. Just one lemon. If you prefer more lemon, you can cut up more and squeeze in there, but I just use one whole lemon and I dropped the lemon in there. Of course, I cleaned my lemon before I did this, and I removed the seeds, at least most of them. Ooh, I got a little lemon juice on the lens. Alrighty, now we're about to prep it for the oven. Yummy. Alright, push all of the air out of it. push, push, push. And then you're gonna tie it into a nice big knot. Make sure you tie it tight. Like that. It's a heavy bag, 2 pounds worth of shrimp. Then you're gonna get a cookie sheet pan and line it with aluminum foil. Put it right on top of there. And then this bad boy is going in the oven after I make the second bag. Alrighty, I made the second bag and it's ready for the oven. I preheated it on 400. I typically put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. You just have to check it and see if you want yours less time. Check it at 30 minutes. But yeah. Alrighty, and here is the finished look. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Everything was so good too. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you.